I suppose while we're on we've been on the subject of GHM9s, I spent some dough. Yeah, this was not a cheap investment at all. I was looking for VFC extended Glock mags, mainly for the Marksman. I think that's up here. The Marksman 9. No, I left it downstairs. And to be used with the GHM9. I wanted some VFC mags. Couldn't really find them in stock anywhere in the UK. Finally found someone that had them in stock, and oh my god, these mags are expensive. Just because it's got that Humorex bloody logo on it, these things are ridiculous. Saying that, I've seen some of the spare mags for the Maxim 9 go for like €75, £75. It's ridiculous. But these are branded Glock magazines by Humorex. I'm not going to open them all just in case. And I want to be using these with the GHM9, and I want to be mainly using them with the Marksman 9, which you'll have seen me do a review on recently. So I'm going to charge up some gas in this. Purge the atmosphere. Put some more in there. And I'm hoping, because people have told me that, you know, proper VFC mags work well in the GHM9. So see, I've got a little bit of a different setup on this now. I've got the mid front end. I've got the standard mag. Let's give this extendo mag a go. Well, to be honest, that fits in really, really nice. How can it be out of gas after like 6 or 7 shots? I'm not overly fond of mags that fill from the back like this. I don't know why. Seems a little bit better. It's almost like the mags are just like reluctant to take gas. Now this is a fresh propane can. It's almost like I always get better results out of mags that don't have those O-rings and can vent the atmosphere back out, but we're going to give this a go. We're going to see if this thing will feed and work on the Lambda Defense GHM9. So yeah, if you must know, I paid just shy of £55 per mag, and that was trade price. That's wholesale price. £55 per mag wholesale. People are selling these for like upwards of, you know, 60, 70, 80 pounds. And it's ridiculous. It's far too expensive. But I didn't really have a choice. Now, the reason why I bought these mags is because I'm hoping to use them in several replicas. That's why I spent a bit of money, like nearly 300 quid, with all the shipping and everything that goes on top. So I'm hoping these mags work with the GHM9. Hoping they'll work maybe with some of the AAP stuff. Not that that's what I bought it for. Hoping they work with the Maxim 9. And of course, that Marksman 9, AR9, Marksman IX, whatever you guys want to call it. So, fresh mag, some .2s. Let's see what this thing chronos at. So, just using .2s because it's what I've got to hand right now. So we're at 325, 316, 309, 306. Yeah, it's settled now, so it's hovering about 0.8 to 0.9 joules. Will this thing run on full auto? Let's give it a go. It's almost like it's double feeding. Just try putting a little bit of hop on. Oh, look. Oh my God, where have we seen this before? Why can't mags just work? Yeah, seemed to work okay until we get that weird double stack thing, and yeah, perhaps you've got to run them in. So I'm going to fetch the Marksman IX, and then we're going to give it a go with that. Right, fetch the Marksman IX. Let's put some BBs in this thing and see if it feeds. See if it works. There's no reason why it shouldn't work. But you know, this is VFC. They do like to inconvenience us from time to time. That's the most diplomatic way I can put it. Let's just put an extra round in that mag so it stacks right. And stack these right up here as well. So GHM9, we're good to go, but will it work? More importantly, will it mark the mag? Yeah. So it does start to damage the mags, like the other mags that we've tried. Let's give it a go. So where's the chrono? We're on 0.2s. Yes, we normally use higher weights than this, but it's just what I've got to hand. So 0.2 gram BBs. 370. 1.272 joules. 1.27 joules. What I will say, you know, 1.2 joules. This gun likes this mag better than it likes this one. That actually feels really, really good. Still doesn't like full auto all that much. It bounces all over the place. But yeah, Marksman IX. Good to go. We've got some mag now where we could run this. Whether we get to that stage super soon, I really don't know. I've got so many guns I need to get into a skirmish with and see if I like them or not. But yeah, holy crap. These mags, I mean, how does Umarex get away with it? Are they just taking a massive royalty from everyone that's sold? I really, really, really don't know. So yeah, just a little video for you. I'm just messing around the bench. I thought, why not put the camera on, take you along for the journey. But yeah, these Umarex Glock 18C mags, or just extended Glock mags, are probably more expensive than the real ones. But there we go. Thanks very much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out the links in the description if you would be so kind. And as always, from me and a cluttered up bench, don't worry, it's all going to get put away. We'll see you in the next video.